So this is going to be a short video on how to deal with spiral staircases when you're recording in 360. This is how the rendering is done in GoPro Fusion Studio, and this is full stabilization. So on with the video. Taken at Kew Gardens. There's the spiral staircase. Depending on how you're watching this, if you're watching it just in on a normal screen, then it probably doesn't look too bad. But if you're using 360 goggles, then you'll notice that you're going to have to turn your head to actually follow the path down the spiral staircase, or you're going to feel very seasick or motion sickness, or both. So there we go, down the spiral staircase. So that's one way of doing it, which probably doesn't work too well. Now this is the anti-shake, or head up, or whatever you'd like to say, stabilization, where it actually focuses on where you're pointing the camera. So you have to shoot it so that the camera is always looking at where you want the middle of your video to be. So with this one, as you can see, now this might be a bit exciting, looking over the edge, and you don't get the same effect of looking down probably with goggles as you would with the fully stabilized, but when you come to walking down the staircase, it's a lot easier on your motion sickness, or when you're using goggles, and it's probably alright looking at it on the screen. So that's the two types of doing it. You can do this if you use full stabilization, and then do some clever tricks when you're editing it. But there's various ways. Anyway, that's two examples